Alright, welcome back to Picking Principles. I want to see if I can do this properly. Maybe I didn't have enough tension the last time and missed the shear line. I'm not happy with oversetting those pins, although it's interesting. It's the first time I've done something like that. So now that we know that 1 and 2 are basically no lift, let's just go right to the back with really stout tension. Click out of 5. Nothing out of 4. Click out 3. I feel like I overset 5 just now. I'm gonna let it go in a moment. Okay, back to the back just to feel it. 5 feels okay. 4 feels okay. There's 3. I gotta say, this really deep hook is a different feel. You gotta really get the tip of the hook under the pin a lot more than you do when you're using a shallow hook. All right. I felt like I gave 2 a tiny little nudge there. That was 1, that click you heard. I gave it a tiny little nudge too. Maybe they're just a hair below the shear line, because this certainly doesn't pick like a 3-pin lock. Trying to go quickly, but I don't want to be too aggressive and just overset those pins again. Three, 4. Oh, that was 4 and 5, sorry. There we go. Alright, that took a lot longer than I wanted it to, but considering this lock took me hours to figure out, I guess that's not super bad. Alright, let's quickly open it again. It's 90 degrees. And we just want to look at the key pins this time and see if I completely overset them again. So hopefully there'll be 5 key pins inside the core this time. And here we go with the moment of truth. Hey, let's get it up nice and close. I don't know if you can see that or not. Whoops, sorry. Don't have great focus. So 1 and 2 still right at the shear line. You can see there's a tiny lip, but I wonder if the tension overcomes that. And then there's pin 3, 4 is partway down, and pin 5, and just for verification purposes, oh man, I bump that camera every time. I'll dump them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And really quickly, again. Oh, that flew right out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th driver pin. Oh, fell in the right slot even. Good aim. All right, well, there we have them all. Oh, that pin's upside down. Poured it out wrong. But whatever. We can see that they're all there. And this time it picked properly. So thanks for watching this follow-up video. I feel a lot better about that. Once again, subscribe if you like, and leave any comments and suggestions below. Thanks again. Have a great day.